Smart home technology for modern living. In today's world, adding smart technology to your home isn't just a luxury, it's an expectation. Smart home features appeal to tech-savvy buyers and can set your property apart in the market. Start with a smart thermostat, which not only saves energy but also allows homeowners to control heating and cooling from their phones. Smart security systems, including doorbell cameras and motion-sensing lights, are another popular upgrade. These systems provide peace of mind and are relatively affordable and easy to install. Voice-activated assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Home can control everything from lighting to entertainment, making life more convenient and connected. Lighting automation is another crowd-pleaser. Smart bulbs that can change color or dim via an app create an ambiance that adapts to any situation. Smart plugs and outlets are small changes that let you control appliances or lights remotely, adding both convenience and energy efficiency. The great thing about smart technology is that it doesn't require a complete overhaul of your home. A few strategically chosen devices can make a huge difference, transforming your space into a modern, connected haven. Buyers are willing to pay extra for the convenience and energy savings these features provide, making this an upgrade that truly pays off.